Hi everyone, today is day 5 of the outdoor backyard scavenger hunt, and today I am going to ask you to find things in nature that you can use to create land art. So I've created some land art here in my backyard, and I'm going to show you what it looks like so you can get an idea. I'm not the best artist, but I'm sure that you can come up with some really fabulous creations of your own. So let me turn this around and show you the land art. Just give me a moment. So this is land art, and basically I've used some things that I found in my backyard. So I have some twigs and some leaves and some little seedlings and then some grass that has died, and I've created a picture with it. So my thoughts are that you can find some stuff that you have in your backyard or maybe even your front yard, and you can create some land art and leave it for somebody that's walking by to see and enjoy. So I hope that you will have a lot of fun with this, and I hope that if you do happen to do it in your front yard, it will be enjoyed by people that are walking by, and maybe it will inspire them to create their own land art. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed the backyard outdoor scavenger hunt, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.